Hi all, let us continue with the 10th standard maths arithmetic progressions. First example, in an AP, third term is 7 and the seventh term is 2, more than 3 times the third term. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the AP. Here given, in an AP, third term is 7, A3 is 7. And the seventh term A7 is 2 more than 3 times the third term, 3 times the third term. Seventh term is 2 more than 3 times the third term. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the AP. S20 is equal to how much? A3 A plus 3 minus 1 into D, A plus 2D is equal to 7. Let it be equation number 1. A7 A plus 6D is equal to 2 plus 3 into A3, A3 is 7. A plus 6D 2 plus 21. It implies A plus 6D is equal to 21 plus 2, 23. Equation number 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1. We get A plus 6D is equal to 23. A plus 2D is equal to 7. Subtract plus 6D minus 2D plus 4D plus 23 minus 7 plus 16. D is equal to 16 by 4, that is D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4. Put D is equal to 4 in equation 1. We get A plus 2D is 4 is equal to 7. A plus 8 is equal to 7. Implies A is equal to 7 minus 8. That is A is equal to minus 1. Now let us find S20. S20 is equal to 20 by 2. Sn is equal to 2A plus n minus 1 into D, 2 into A minus 1 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1, 19, D 4, 10 minus 2, 19 4s are 76, plus 76 minus 2 plus 74, 74 into 10, 740. S20 is 740. Next example, the ratio of 7th to 3rd term of an AP is 12:5. Find the ratio of 13th to 4th term. Here given the ratio of 7th to 3rd term. 7th term A7, 3rd term A3, ratio is given 12:5. We need to find the ratio of 13th term to the 4th term. Here given 7th term A plus 7 minus 1 into D, 6D, A3 A plus 3 minus 1 into D, 2D is 12 by 5. Cross multiply 5 into A plus 6D is equal to 12 into A plus 2D. Multiply 5A plus 6 5s are 30, 30D, 12A plus 12 2s are 24D. It implies 30D minus 24D is equal to 12A minus 5A. 30D minus 24d 6d, 12a minus 5a 7a, that is d is equal to 7 by 6a. Now let us find ratio of 13th to 4th term. A13 by A4. A plus 13 minus 1 into D, A plus 12D, A plus 4 minus 1 into D, A plus 3D. Substitute the value of D, A plus 12 into D 7 by 6 A plus 3 into 7 by 6 A. Here 6 is the LCM, 6a plus 12 sevens are 84a divided by, again 6 is the LCM, 6a plus 21a, 6a plus 84a, 6a plus 21a, or 6a plus 84a 90a, 6a plus 21a 27a, or 9 3s are 9 10s are 10 by 3, or ratio of 13th to 4th term is 10:3. Next example, the 4th and 8th terms of an AP are in the ratio of 1:2 and 10th term is 30. Find the common difference. Here given 4th and 8th terms of AP, 4th and 8th, A4 are in the ratio A4 by A8 is equal to 1 by 2. Also given 10th term is A10 is equal to 30. We need to find D, common difference. Let us solve A4, A plus 4 minus 1 into D, A plus 3D, A plus 8 minus 1 into D, A plus 7D is equal to half. Cross multiply A plus 3D, A plus 7D, 2A plus, it implies 2A plus 6D is equal to A plus 7D, 2A minus A, 7D minus 6D, A. First term is equal to common difference. Also given A10 is equal to 30, A plus 10 minus 1, 9D is equal to 30. Here A plus 9D is equal to A, therefore A plus 9A, 10A is equal to 30. It implies A is equal to 30 by 10. 3. First term is 3. Since A is equal to D, common difference is also 3. 5 positive integers are in AP. The sum of 3 middle terms is 24 and product of first and fifth term is 48. Find the terms of AP. Here let 5 terms of AP be A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. 5 terms of AP be A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Given sum of 3 middle terms is 24. Sum of 3 middle terms A minus D plus A plus D is 24. 3A is equal to 24. That is A is equal to 24 by 3. A is equal to 8. Also given product of first and fifth term. Product of first and fifth term is 48. This is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Therefore a square minus 2d whole square is equal to 48. Using this identity, a square minus 2d whole square is equal to 48. 8 square minus 2d whole square is equal to 48. Here 64 minus 48 is equal to 4d square. 64 minus 48, 16 is equal to 4d square. It implies d square is equal to 16 by 4. 4. D square is equal to 2 square. D is equal to 2. Therefore, for A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 2, 5 terms of AP are A minus 2D, 8 minus 4, A minus D, 8 minus 2, A, 8, A plus D, 8 plus 2, A plus 2D, 8 plus 4, 8 minus 4, 4, 8 minus 2, 6, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 4, 12. Therefore, terms 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let us move to the next example. If the pth term of an AP is Q and qth term is P, prove that the nth term is equal to P plus Q minus N. Here given pth term of an AP is equal to Q. Qth term is P. We need to prove nth term is P plus Q minus N. Here pth term of AP is Q. A plus P minus 1 into D is Q. Similarly, A plus Q minus 1 into D is equal to P. Let us solve 1 and 2. Equation 1, equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. We get equation 1 minus equation 2. Q minus P is equal to P minus 1 into D minus Q minus 1 into D. P minus, here D is common, take D out, P minus 1 minus Q plus 1. D, P minus Q. Here left hand side Q minus P. Therefore, minus D, Q minus P by Q minus P. It implies D is equal to minus 1. Here put D is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. We get minus 1. A plus P minus 1 minus 1 is equal to Q. A minus P minus minus plus 1 is equal to Q. A is equal to, that is A is equal to P plus Q minus 1. Let us find nth term of AP an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A p plus q minus 1 plus n minus 1 d minus 1. It implies p plus q minus 1 minus n plus 1. P plus q is minus n. Therefore, nth term is p plus q minus n. Hence proved. Hence proved. Next example. The sum of 6 terms which form an AP is 345. The difference between the first and last terms is 55. Find the terms. Here given the sum of 6 terms S6 is 345. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore 6 by 2 2a plus n minus 1 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 345. A is first term, d is common difference. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2a plus 5d is equal to 345. Or 2a plus 5d is equal to 345 by 3. 1s are again 1s are 5s are 115. 2a plus 5d is equal to 115. Let it be equation number 1. Also given some difference between first and last terms is 55. Last term a plus n minus 1 into d minus a is equal to 55. N is 6. N is 6. 6 minus 1. 5d is equal to 55. It implies d is equal to 55 by 5 or d is equal to 11. Put d is equal to 11 in equation 1. D is equal to 11 in equation 1. We get 2a 11 is equal to 115. 2a is equal to 115 minus 55. 115 minus 55 is 60. 2a is equal to 60. That is a is equal to 60 by 2. A is equal to 30. Therefore terms are a 30, a plus d 30 plus 11 41, a plus 2d 2d, a plus 2d 30 plus 2 into 11 22 plus 30 52, a plus 3d 63 74 and 85. A plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d. Next example, a person deposits rupees 1000 in the first month, 1000 in the first month. Then every month he increases the monthly deposit by rupees 60. Use the principle of arithmetic progression and calculate his total investment at the end of 2 years. S24, 2 years. Here Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S24 is equal to 24 by 2, 2 into 1000 plus 24 minus 1, 23, d is 60. 12s are 2000 plus 23 into 6, 138 0 60 1380 1380 plus 2000 3380 into 12 40,560. Total investment at the end of 2 years is 40,560 rupees.